What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, another unboxing video. Flyer. So, how y'all doing? I hope you're all safe and healthy. I've got a package here to unbox. Before we start, I do not condone buying or selling replicas. This is just for educational purposes only. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say, I guess. Let's see what we've got. These are supposed to be Ben & Jerry's SB Dunks collaboration. The retail price is $100, so yeah, you be the judge. It took 10 days to arrive to the UK, which is pretty good, really good, I must say. And yeah, let's see. Nicely double boxed, as always. So, that's the box. Really nice box. Some UK 10, so US 11. I might do a comparison video with the real pair, so we're just gonna look together how they look, how good they are, how bad they are. You be the judge, guys. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, because the more of you watching, the more content I can get for you. So, let's see. Bruh. Okay. So this is the first one. It's got extra pair of laces, yellow and green, and the white's already on. Smell a little bit like glue, but nothing major. Okay, so this is this side. Ben & Jerry's, this is the ice cream company. They've been around since 1978. That's the year they were founded. They have different interesting flavors of ice cream. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite one. Me personally, don't really buy a lot of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. So let's see some details. This is a cow print. This is supposed to be pony hairs. You can see here. So that's the back. I think definitely the Nike, they shouldn't be, stitched together, this one line there. But it's easy to just cut it in between, so it's not going to be noticeable. There's a little leather here, clouds stitched. This swoosh, it's like a melting ice cream, melted ice cream. Grassy hills, some skies. So these are pretty funky shoes. Just put them on. They're actually really comfortable. I was surprised how comfortable they are. Carry on watching. That's the tongue. Me personally, I wouldn't probably buy them. It's pretty difficult to style them, but these are the skateboard shoes, so who cares? See a little hairs sticking out here. There's a little elastic to keep your foot inside. See the insole. soft insole. You guys let me know in the comments what do you think of you know, not this particular pair, but like in general, the real deal. How do you find the shoes? It's well made inside. The stitching is pretty good. I will put them on as always at the end of the video, so stick around until the end. That's the bottom. So the stitching looks pretty good. This whoosh stitching pretty good. There's some glue here. Stars. I don't have a skate, so I can't try to skate in these. That's another one. They're exactly the same. Let me know, guys, about this hair texture, the pony hair. Do you like it on sneakers or not? Me personally, I don't. I'd like to hear your opinion as well in the comments. They look pretty good. For $100 for retail, they would be perfect. But this is just to ride on a skateboard, Nike. So this is it, I guess. US 11, UK 10, puffy material inside the shoe. Very colorful shoe as well. Make sure you subscribed, because why not? You're already here, so just hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you like the video. If you don't like the shoes, don't hit the dislike, just hit the like. But you know, I can't tell you what to do. Anyway, if you want to support the channel, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Trio.